How to deposit a check online with Discover Bank. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how to deposit a check online with the Discover Bank. So first thing first, just head over to your Play Store or App Store and make sure you have successfully downloaded the Discover Bank application. And as you can see, I've already installed it. Now simply tap on this open button to open the application. And just make sure to successfully log into your account using your user ID as well as your password. And once you successfully log into your Discover mobile app on your device, you just have to navigate to the deposit section and select the mobile check deposit option. And from there, you just have to enter the account for deposit and the amount of check. And for capturing check images, place the check on a flat or dark surface in a well-lit area and ensure the entire check is visible and the four corners are intact. And capture clear photos of the front and back of the check using the in-app camera, and simply review the details and the estimated funds availability. Then tap deposit now to complete the process. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.